Simplify the decimal number 1 minus 7 over 8, giving your answer in binary notation. So we have been given decimal subtraction 1 minus 7 over 8, and we are supposed to do the subtraction and give the answer in binary form. So first of all, 1 in fraction, this will be 8 over 8. We subtract 7 over 8, we get 1 over 8. When you convert this fraction to decimal form, you'll get 0.125. And this is now base 10. This number is the one that we are going to convert now to binary notation. So, if you remember, when you have a decimal number which has got some decimal places, we use the method that we call repeated multiplication by 2. We use repeated multiplication by 2. This should be multiplication, repeated multiplication by 2. So this is how we arrange it. We have the number, we have the product, and we have the binary digit. So the number that you normally multiply is the decimal part. So 0.125 you will multiply by 2. The product is 0.25. What forms the binary number is the whole part number, is the whole part of the number, the whole number part of it. So you write this number which is in the whole numbers part. So here the binary number will be in 0. Then after you write the binary number, you take the decimal part, you multiply again by. That is why we call it repeated multiplication by 2. When you multiply this, you get 0.5. The whole part number is still 0. So 1. Then you take the decimal part again, you multiply by 2. This one will give us 1.0. Then in the previous step, this one was 0, not 1. So this one, now we have gotten the whole part is 1. So we extract the 1. And as you can see, we cannot multiply further because the number has become 0. So in this method, in some situations, you'll find that you will not multiply up to getting 0 like this one. So we say the more you multiply, the more accurate the answer it is. So it is not a must you multiply up to the end, or else don't expect to get a 0 at the end, but you multiply several times and you'll be fine. So after you have done that, you write this binary part number from top to bottom, and then our number will be 0.001 base 2. Remember this method, this method is the reverse of when you divide by 2. So when you take a decimal number and you divide by 2, we normally write from bottom to top to form the binary number. But in this case, when you multiply, you write from top to bottom. So this now becomes our answer, which is binary notation of 0.125.